How's it going, gents? Waking up here on the snowy river, just packing up the tents, ready to do the Barry Way to Jindabyne. It's a good road. Cold one, about 7 degrees last night, not too bad. Yeah, ready for action. Let's pack up these stupid tents. I've already packed up my bivvy because it takes like 2 seconds. This stupid tents will take forever. But pack up, get onto it, eh? Bloody get onto it. I've got to right near his wheel, see if he can handle it. If he knows about it. There you go. Always waiting on Nick. Always waiting on Nick. Dilly dally. Right on the border of Victoria, New South Wales. We camped just in there. Great spot. Anyway, 75 k's of Barry Way. Let's do it. That was just wild horses. Whoa, wild horses. Holy crap, Brumbies. No shit. Not something you don't see so often in Australia. They look a little too like, I don't know what wild horses look like, but I think they'd be a bit more mangy. They were pristine looking, nice brown horses. Maybe they've just escaped from someone's property. But we're in a national park, there's no properties around here. Oh, someone's lost a bag. What is it? Let's have a look, eh?
You were scared the wildlife away or something.
Yeah. Oh, it's bloody full set of freaking recovery gear.
Not like we can take it anyway.
Yeah, what can you do? You can't really even,
Do you want to strap to the back of your bike?
Take it to Jindabyne maybe, but
Up to you, I mean.
unless it's got like an address or
To be
something.
honest, you could leave it here and the person who dropped it's probably going to come back.
Actually, I'll pull some of the straps out, they'll be brighter. There you go. Hopefully you come back and find your recovery gear, mate. God damn, there's so many nice spots to camp down there. I said this in the GS adventure, when I did the GS safari, I came this way on the R1200. And I said, man, I got to bring my mates, we got to camp down here. It was so freaking awesome, man, the Barry Way along the Snowy River, and freaking man, it is. El Creco Crossing-o. This is a nice place. I want to come camping down here for sure. See, I love when someone else shows me a really good road or a really good spot, or a really good camping spot, or just a good destination. The BMW GS Safari showed me this awesome road and this amazing like spot where you can camp and stuff. And it lets me show my mates and shit, and like, because it's really hard to just come up with random places to go and camp and really good roads to take unless someone shows you who's already done it. So, you know, Miles from the GS Safari just raved on about this road and it was amazing and shit. So like now I'm taking my mates and stuff, and my mates might take their mates and stuff, you know. And it's just the sharing. You gotta share your awesome destinations and roads. Oh my god, that looks amazing out there. Going up through the mist, the clouds. That's right, because the Barry Way kind of ascends up into the mountains. We came down the mountains on the GS's, but we'll be going up today. Ah, this is so great, man. See what this looks like, eh? The old Jack's Lookout. And Nick's dumb. Oh, poor bloody kangaroo. Oh, more kangaroos. Don't hit him. I am a cloud! I am Cloud Boy. I can't see anything. Look at this freaking road, man. It's phenomenal. Top of the Barry Way, heading into Jindabyne. Great bloody road. Venture King Road. But let's get to Jindabyne and get some friggin' lattes and bacon and eggs. Oh yeah. wheelies are a little lackluster with the bags. I think they're screwing me up. No grip either. Need some new knobby, and we'll be able to rip some of the best wheelies in town. A little baby kangaroo, little baby one. That's my favourite sign. The sign that says Twisties. Come on, Dubs, come on. Bow, 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 bow. Little WR. You got to use every bit of it. Full throttle all the time. So much fun. The corner. Smash down a gear. Slidey, slidey, slidey. Hit the tree, apex tree. I think this is making it more fun with our no knobbies and super road pressures. The slidiness. Until I break my leg, it's fantastic. Whoa! Ah, road ruined. Goodbye, dirt fun times. It's probably going to be road for the rest of the day. Ooh. Very prominent about their elevation here. It's only like 900 meters. People in America or like Europe and shit just be laughing at us. 900 meters. The air's so thin up here. Can't even breathe.
It's the Brendan and Nick show. Brendan,
Oh, pretty bloody good actually. Been a lot of fun. We've had to carry this guy around. Tom is pretty bloody slow and just dilly-dallies and doesn't get his act together.
Yeah, I know. Best camping shop ever with 2 puppas. Hey. Ooh.
Just picking a random I just really didn't want to take the freeway all the way up to Canberra, so I just picked a road that went up the side and it's turned to dirt. I love it, man. Frick, I love this shit, man. Just open frickin' awesome countryside, great frickin' grippy dirt roads, man. Oh, beautiful grip. This is a nice surface, man. This is the surfaces I freaking have dreams about. So you get that little bit of a slide, but like you've got brakes and you can turn and steer and do everything. Freaking hell! And you go over cattle grids, you freaking 4-gear wheelies. This is adventure riding. We are just about to hit ACT, Australian Capital Territory. A lot of you Americans probably might think that like Sydney is the capital of Australia, or Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia, but it's actually in its own kind of state. And this is it. This is the ACT. First time I've ridden a motorcycle in the ACT. Rocketing through this national park in the ACT, trying to get up to Canberra as much off-road as possible. No one likes riding on freeways. Getting on the old one, the 1979. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 2008 WR250R feels the same. Here we are, Canberra. capital of Australia, ACT. There's a big fountain. There's Parliament House ahead of us, so this is the capital of Australia. I've been to Canberra before, but I've never actually been to like Parliament House. It's like the equivalent of like the White House or the Hill or something in America, in Australia. And, I've like never been here before, so I'm gonna go park right outside Parliament House and take a picture of the 3 WRs, and it's gonna look beautiful. Hello. Oh, let's do a freaking wheelie in front of it, eh? Other way around, actually. Should we park there? Yeah, park there. All right, I'll turn around. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Cops told us to get out of here. Get out of here, bikey scum. In the town of Goulburn. Just rocketed up here. 1 tank of gas from Jindabyne to Goulburn. It's 311 kilometres, and still got a good amount in the old Safari, so I reckon easy 350 plus kilometres of range. But we're going to rock it up another couple of hours, probably going to be dark. We'll get the campsite near Sydney and camp there and drink tinnies. Getting lost in state forest with gates. No one to go back an hour, so we're getting over. Go back a bit, get a bit of momentum. Try again. Yay! Who needs to ride back an hour? Your turn, Nick. Our attempt at finding a campsite near Sydney was a shambles. We got stuck in some national park, and it was hell. So we've gone to a caravan park. How was it, Nick? It was fun?
It was eventful.
The Scary Pipe
Derelict.
National Park. It was quite derelict, and we almost got stuck in there. Had to squeeze through a gate. But we're in a caravan park right in Sydney now. Fun though, isn't it? It's a cultural place. Adventure. That's what it's all about.
Sleep with this.
Sleep in that. It's dodgy. It's a trailer park and it's really dodgy. But we're going to get up early, get the hell out of here, get to the WR Rally, get some new tyres.
Yep.
We need new tyres. How's those Metzeler going? Still got some chunk. How's mine going? Look at that. Look at that slick. Those knobbies are gone. Erotic literature. And 2 little gay boys.
Hammering it now. Get off
The Brendan and Nick show.
Get off me.
So much fun. Sleeping in Sydney. There's rain.
Yeah.
Testing the biv. Testing the biv. Its waterproofness. There was literally like 3 litres of water on it before. Kicked it off. Perfectly dry. My goose down sleeping bag rated to -4 was completely dry in my bivvy. That's quite a big tank up there.
Just keep it.
What's on the second level?
Your mum.
Overkill. Don't need that much weight. All you need is a little bivvy. Just like a sleeping bag to keep you waterproof. It's the best. Oh, bedtime, guys. Night, guys.
I just
See you in 3 hours.
strategically put
Yeah, lattes.
it.